Welcome class to your Chapter 5 assignments video. I will be talking about your Bloom site, your Tripsmart site, and your coffee shop site in this video. So please don't procrastinate when it comes to Chapter 5 assignments. They do take time to get through, and maybe just chunk them out as well. And so hopefully I'll give you some tips as we go along here. Okay. So let's go ahead and look at the skills review to start off. So we're going to be creating a content for our newsletter page using 5_5 data file. And then we're going to be repairing some broken image links and setting up a style for header 2, header 1, and header 3. So when you're creating these, make sure you don't put a period before. They are actual tags, they're not classes, so just H2, H1. This one's modifying, and this one's going ahead and creating. So you're creating one for H2 and H3. You're going to apply image float to a couple images, and image float right rule to the trees images. Okay, and then you're going to set up some external sites. Now, one of these is broken. Okay, actually, nope, it opens up another website, and that's fine. Okay, if you want to go ahead and fix it to that actual URL, you can go ahead and do that. I think it's the organic gardening one. Okay, so as you're going through here, just make sure that you get every step because there's lots of steps. A common one that students forget is step 14, and maybe even changing the page title or adding this new paragraph. So just make sure that you've gotten all of the steps. The one section that is going to probably take the most time and the most attention to detail is to create, modify, and copy a menu bar. Okay, so you want to look at the assignments page and how I modify these directions. Again, you want to make sure you're outside of the heading 1 tag when you go ahead and you insert. Remember to watch split view, but be in design view when you start typing your menu items. When it says type menu bar in the class text bar, this is where we type fluid space menu bar. Let's see here. Yep, so just make sure that you're in the design view. So it says return to design view, and make sure so that you're typing in there. So maybe click fully on design view when you're entering these, and then go ahead and look at split view to make sure that they were each entered in their own LI. Then you're going to go ahead and link them. Let's see, step 10, this is where we're going to create the class menu bar, okay, and then we're going to make it sure that gets the text aligned center with it. Let's see, what other ones here? Oh, number 14, remember when we create the LI and we're getting the display inline, we're going to prefix that with the class menu bar, so dot menu _ bar space LI. And again, all of this is specified in your assignments page, so you're not going to have to like fully remember this. I'm just trying to look at some of the notes that I have in my book. Okay, that is Bloom's, and when you're all done, you should have a navigation system that looks like page 39. Please don't forget that you have to complete 538. Okay, some students tend to forget to complete that third page of directions. If you get stuck on anything, just let me know. Okay, Tripsmart. Okay, this is what you're going to get before we go on to Tripsmart. This is what you're going to get for your home page as well as that newsletter page. Okay, so Tripsmart, again, we back off on the detailed directions and we apply. Okay, so 5_9 is going to become your services. We're going to create IDs, reservations, outfitters, okay? So these are the IDs up here in the top paragraph, okay? They are going to, when we click on this link here, it's going to jump to this ID. Travel Outfitters is going to jump here. Escorted Tours is going to jump here. And that Helpful Links in Traveling is going to jump to here, okay? Online catalog link, make sure that links to catalog. And reservations here should probably, I'm not sure if that's even talked about in here. Okay, make sure all of these external links work, and if they don't work, try to fix the URL. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and create that menu bar. Okay, so let's see. So number 9, we want to make sure that we're before, let's see, what are we on? What page are we on here? Oh, let me click here. We are on services. So on the services page, unless it told us to go to another page, I want to make sure here. Yeah, nope, we're on the services page. So before the T in Tripsmart, okay, so outside of that paragraph tag is where you're going to go insert nav, and then again, fluid space menu underscore bar. Make sure in your design view when you enter in your items, make sure that when you look at code view, they're all in their separate LIs. And then you're going to go ahead and create these styles, okay? Now, in addition to these, okay, I need you to look at number 17 and number 22 with blooms, okay? So 17 and 22 here, okay? So this one right here, you're going to do, and 22. Okay, so 17 and 22. And again, this is right here. Okay, so make sure that you're completing those additional steps. It's just going to make your menu bar look much better, okay? Okay, that is Tripsmart. Well, not already. Okay, so we have more Tripsmart on the next page. So there are 4 pages actually for Tripsmart. Now let's look at the portfolio builder. Okay, so if this is your coffee shop, so I didn't do any modifications to this. Just consult your wireframe to decide which page you're going to develop for this chapter. Research websites that could be included on one or more of your pages. You're required to have 2 external links. Okay, 2 external links. And the reason we link to outside pages is because that then gives them search engine optimization with the hope that, you know, if this was real world, that they would reciprocate and give you a link as well. Okay, add external links, add those, and then create IDs. So examples of maybe on a menu page, you have your drinks, you have maybe sandwiches, whatever it may be, and you're linking to those sections within your page, just like Striped Umbrella did with massages, facials, and body treatments. Okay. Then we go in and do a menu. Okay, so you're going to have to go through insert and then do the navigation bar, fluid space menu underscore bar. You're going to have to enter on all of the CSS. So revisit lesson 3 video if you get stuck on how to do this. You're welcome to go into any one of your sites, okay, Striped Umbrella for example, and copy the existing CSS styles that have to do with the menu, and then place them in your style sheets, and then they're already there. You don't have to create them. You can go ahead and modify them. Okay. Think of a good place to incorporate an image map. Now, I'm not saying it has to be on your banner, okay, but that's an example of where you could place that transparent image on your banner that would then link to your home pages. Decide on at least one Web 2.0 application that you might incorporate. Okay, so maybe you again do those Facebook icons, Twitter icons. They don't have to actually function. Okay, so you can just place them, and then you'll have them if you were to ever want to link them. Use the link checker. Okay, and then use this checklist. Do all of your pages have page titles? Does your homepage still have the meta name, meta description, and meta keywords, contact information, and keep going down through this list. Okay, so if you have any questions, you need any help with any of the sites, Blooms, Tripsmart, Coffee Shop, just contact me. Thank you.